Deer and the Tricky Fox. Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, lived a loving deer family. They were kind and gentle creatures, always helping others. Nearby, a group of mischievous fox kids observed the deer's kindness. Wanting to take advantage, they hatched a cunning plan. They pretended to be lost and helpless, appealing to the deer family's compassion. The deer, unaware of their deceased, offered their assistance, but the wise old owl sensed the fox kids' trickery. She warned the deer about their true intentions. Grateful for the owl's wisdom, the deer family stayed cautious and avoided the fox kids' trap. The moral of the story is to be wary of those who pretended to be in need, for not everyone has honest intentions. Toby the Wise Turtle. Once upon a time, in a lush forest, there lived a wise old turtle named Toby. Toby was known for his kind heart and cleverness. One hot summer day, all the animals were thirsty, but there was only a small pond with limited water. The selfish lion wanted to drink all the water by himself. But Toby had a plan. He proposed that each animal take turns drinking, so everyone would have their share. The lion agreed, thinking he would drink first. But Toby started with the smallest creatures like the tiny ants and insects. He saved the lion for last. By the time it was the lion's turn, there was only a little water left. The lion felt ashamed and learned that being greedy hurts others. The moral of the story is that don't be greedy and always share with each other. The Frog and the Mouse. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a tiny mouse named Max and a curious frog named Finn. Max loved exploring, while Finn enjoyed leaping from lily pad to lily pad. One day, as Max ventured near a pond, he accidentally fell in. Unable to swim, he cried out for help. Finn, hearing his distress, quickly hopped over and offered a helping hand. Using his hands, Finn pushed a lily pad towards Max. allowing him to climb on safely. With Finn's guidance, Max made it back to dry land. Grateful for Finn's bravery and kindness, Max realized the importance of friendship and being there for each other in times of need. The moral of the story is that true friends are there to support and help each other even in the most challenging situations. The Monkey and the Crocodile. Once in a jungle, there was a friendly monkey and a tricky crocodile. Surprisingly, they became good friends and enjoyed each other's company. One sunny day, the crocodile invited the monkey to his home on the other side of the river for a delicious feast. The monkey eagerly accepted the invitation of Crocodile. As they were swimming, the crocodile confessed that his wife is sick and she needs the monkey's heart as a medicine. The clever monkey didn't panic and came up with a clever idea. "Oh dear friend," the monkey said calmly, "I left my heart in a tree. If you let me get it, we can share its sweetness." The crocodile believed the monkey and turned back towards the tree. The monkey escaped safely and taught the crocodile a valuable lesson about trust and loyalty. The moral of the story is that be careful with the friends you are associating.